90-second video, go. We got some noodles. We got this onion. Chop that onion up. Yeah, get little bits of onion. Then we got these shrooms. Dice those thingies up, slice them, dice them. Put some oil in a pan, put the onion, put the mushroom in a pan. Salt that baby boy. Sweat that onion. Make it sweaty. Yeah. Okay, we got some Beyond Beef. It's the best non-meat beef out there. Brown that up in the pan with the onion and the mushroom. Put some chili pepper powder thing in there, and then some garlic powder. Real yummy. Just a tiny bit of spice, not a lot. Stir that up. Let that cook a little bit. Delicious. Put some more olive oil in that pan. Some butter so the butter doesn't burn. Let that brown. Put in some flour or cocaine. Stir that up with a wooden spoon. You're making a fond. Add some, not a fond. Add some oat milk. Put in your pasta. Stir that up. Put in some cheese. Delicious. You could eat it like this, or you could add in that beef deliciousness with the onion mushroom. We're going to put some breadcrumbs on that, and then you're going to put that, some cheese too. Forgot about the cheese. Burn it, and then eat it.